All right, folks, get ready to have your minds blown because today we're going to show you a revolutionary new website called Artify. Now, you're going to want to remember that name because it's going to take down some of these big websites like Facebook and Pinterest. You know, this is going to crush all the competition here. So you're going to want to pay attention. Now, in a nutshell, Artify is an art appreciation website that allows users to appreciate the true classics and also share their own art with other users. Now, to get started, you can register for an account, but I've already created an account here, so I'll just log in. And immediately you're going to be presented with recommendations of art that we think that you're going to like. And so these recommendations are based on the art that you've liked and the art that other people have liked as well. So, if I click on the Birth of Venus there, that's going to recommend some other art after recomputing our recommendations. And it's going to do some little fancy linear algebra. And then, in addition, you can click in on these works of art. So I'll click in here on the School of Athens. This is just a classic painting by Raphael, and it'll tell you things like the style and the year as well. Furthermore, we can, you want to appreciate the classics, but you also want to be able to add your own art, right, so that other users can appreciate your art. So what we'll do here, we'll click there to upload a file, and here we'll add an art in the cubism style. So your cubism, you see there's these interlocking geometric shapes that kind of typify the style, and you'll notice that our website automatically classified the style of the artwork as a cubism. Now, and the way we did that is we trained and deployed a deep learning model that's able to predict the style of the art just based on the image. Now, what we can do is we can add a title. Maybe we'll call this great art. We can change the style here if the model got it wrong, or we can add a new style. We'll add a year, and we'll say this is by an artist named Fubar. Now, this is really by some other artists, so I hope we don't get sued. But for now, we'll just say it's by Fubar. Now we'll click submit, and you'll notice we've been redirected to this My Art tab right here. And so we see this is Bob's art, and say we want to get rid of this art. For some reason, we decide we got better art, and we no longer need this. We can just click this little trash button here, and then boom, roasted. That art is gone forever. Now, let's come back here to our recommendations. Well, you might, this recommendation art is what we think you're going to like, but maybe you're looking for something in particular. So, maybe you're a feminist, you're looking for some art about women. So, we'll put in the keyword woman here, right? And we can also select particular artists or styles, but let's just look at art by women. And you'll notice, look here. So we pull up art with the word woman in it, but notice how we also get art with the word lady or girl. So what we're doing here is we're using some pretty big time natural language processing here that's able to kind of detect these semantic similarities. In addition, our model, we're running 4 different metrics, which will recommend, it'll suggest art for the search based on one, the semantic similarity, but also the edit distance and several other metrics. Now, another thing is, you might want to edit your profile, right? So for example, say you want to take your talents from Urbana to Champaign. You're on out at Urbana, so change the city here to Champaign, and then watch this, folks. Wow, I mean, this is revolutionary. You see the location change to Champaign, and yeah, so that in the future, right? This will allow us to target artwork to different locations, users in different locations. But anyways, that's pretty much it for now. So we'll just log out now, and I wish you a terrific rest of your day.